The United States has formalized a landmark $1 billion defense deal with Qatar, marking a pivotal moment in international military collaboration. This agreement designates Qatar as the inaugural foreign customer of Raytheon's fixed-site small unmanned aircraft system integrated defeat system, commonly known as FS-LIDS, a cutting-edge anti-drone defense platform. The acquisition reflects Doha's intensified focus on enhancing homeland security, particularly amid rising drone-based threats across the Middle East. FS-LIDS is a comprehensive, fixed-location defense system engineered to detect, track, and eliminate small, low-speed drones that operate at low altitudes. Developed by Raytheon, alongside defense collaborators SRC Incorporated and Northrop Grumman, this system is tailored to meet the complex challenge of drone incursions, especially as adversaries increasingly deploy swarming drone tactics. Key components of FS-LIDS include advanced radar arrays like the QRFS and the N/TPQ-50, both renowned for their accuracy in identifying aerial objects. The system also integrates electro-optical and infrared imaging tools to ensure round-the-clock visual tracking, regardless of environmental factors. To neutralize hostile drones, FS-LIDS uses both non-kinetic methods, such as signal jamming, and kinetic solutions, most notably the Coyote Block II interceptor, a turbojet-powered munition capable of hunting down and destroying enemy drones midair. Once a drone is identified, its position and trajectory are relayed through the Forward Area Air Defense Command and Control (FAD-C2) interface. This central processor fuses data from various sensors into a single actionable interface, allowing defense operators to determine the most effective countermeasure, electronic disruption or direct interception. Under the agreement, Qatar will receive a full package, 10 FS-LIDS units, 200 Coyote Block II interceptors, launching platforms, and an extensive support program. This includes operator training, maintenance resources, and long-term logistical assistance to ensure uninterrupted operational capability. As drone warfare becomes an increasingly common tactic in the region, employed by both governments and irregular forces, Qatar's move to integrate FS-LIDS into its defense architecture is both strategic and timely. With critical infrastructure like oil facilities, airfields, and ports under constant threat, the Gulf state is reinforcing its ability to counter airborne threats from both conventional and irregular actors. This procurement is more than a military upgrade, it signals Qatar's larger ambition to modernize its armed forces and secure vital national assets against evolving aerial risks. Deploying FS-LIDS at fixed high-value locations will significantly fortify its defense perimeter, setting a new regional standard for counter-UAS, unmanned aerial systems, strategy. The deal also reaffirms the enduring defense relationship between Washington and Doha. Qatar hosts the Al Udeid Air Base, the U.S.'s largest military installation in the region, and has consistently partnered with the United States on military procurement, training, and security cooperation. This latest transaction further deepens that alliance, reinforcing shared interests in Middle East stability and counterterrorism. For the U.S. defense industry, the contract is a noteworthy win. It not only strengthens America's defense ties abroad but also sustains jobs and propels innovation in key sectors like aerospace and electronic warfare. For Raytheon and its partners, Qatar's adoption of FS-LIDS could catalyze additional international interest in the system. As drone threats continue to grow in sophistication and scale, Qatar's acquisition of FS-LIDS may prove to be a benchmark in modern air defense. By being the first to adopt this next-gen technology, Qatar positions itself at the forefront of global efforts to combat the evolving challenges of unmanned aerial incursions.